already noticed you're competing with something that never sleeps, never asks for a raise, and learns faster than you.
It's not paranoia. It's real.
Automation isn't coming. It's already here.
And the question you need to answer isn't if you'll be affected, but when and what you'll do about it.
I'm the Digital Oracle, and today we're talking about something nobody tells you.
How to become irreplaceable when machines are replacing humans every single day. But first, you need to understand an uncomfortable truth.
Lilith Twantun. Most people believe they're safe because they have a degree, experience, or an important title.
But here's the problem. All of that can be replicated.
Already creates art that wins awards.
Already diagnoses diseases more accurately than experienced doctors.
And no, I'm not exaggerating. This has already happened.
So if your value is based only on doing tasks, you're on dangerous ground.
Because machines do tasks, and they do them better, faster, cheaper.
But there's something they can't do. Yet.
And that's where you come in.
I'll give you 3 skills AI will never fully replicate.
Master these 3 things, and you don't just survive, you dominate.
Skill 1. Judgment in complex context.
AI processes data, but it doesn't understand human nuance.
It can't read a room, can't sense when someone's lying, or when a client needs empathy instead of efficiency.
It doesn't know when to break the rules, because the moment demands it. You do.
Your job isn't just to execute. It's to decide what to execute, when, and why. That's judgment.
And judgment requires lived experience, understanding people, culture, emotions.
Skill 2. Strategic creativity.
AI generates, but it doesn't innovate with purpose.
It can give you 100 ideas, but it doesn't know which one will emotionally connect with a specific audience.
Creativity isn't just having ideas. It's knowing which idea matters and how to execute it in a way that resonates with real humans. That requires deep understanding of behavior, culture, timing, things that don't fit in algorithms.
Skill 3. Building trust and real connection.
People buy from people, follow people, trust people.
AI can answer your questions, but it can't make you feel seen, understood, part of something bigger.
If your value is in creating genuine relationships, building trust over time, being the person others seek for guidance.
Because machines don't have presence, don't have story, don't have vulnerability.
And these things matter more than you imagine.
Now you know what. Let's talk about how.
First step, stop competing on tasks. Start competing on judgment.
If your job can be described as, I do X, you're vulnerable.
Redefine your value as, I decide when and how to do X based on context only I understand.
If you're a designer, your value isn't making logos. It's understanding a brand's identity and translating it visually to resonate with the right audience.
See the difference? One is a task. The other is strategy.
Step 2. Master tools, but don't be defined by them.
Use AI. Use automation. Use everything that exists.
But your value isn't in knowing how to use the tool. It's in knowing when to use it, how to use it, and why to use it.
The tool is commodity. Your ability to apply it with wisdom isn't.
Step 3. Invest in skills that scale with human experience.
Communication.
Leadership, empathy, persuasion, storytelling, negotiation. These things improve with lived experience, with failures, with real connections.
AI doesn't have lived experience. You do.
And the more you invest in these areas, the more you distance yourself from automation.
Here's the final truth you need to accept. The era of selling only your hands or your memory is over.
Machines do that better.
But the era of selling your judgment, your creativity, your humanity, that era is just beginning.
And people who understand this now will be light years ahead of those still trying to compete on speed or precision with algorithms.
You don't need to be perfect. You need to be essentially human.
You need to be the person who understands what machines don't. Context, culture, connection.
The window is open, but it won't stay that way forever. So the question is, will you be irreplaceable or just another name on the automated functions list?
The choice is yours.
I am the digital oracle.
And if this video made you think, subscribe to the channel, because the conversation is just beginning.
And you don't want to be left behind.